All right, HVAC people. So I'm doing a maintenance on this customer house, and I can't make this up. Customer contacted me. I did some work for him in the past, maybe about 3 years ago. Uh, I installed some dampers, but they contacted me and they sent me a link to a video of how to properly clean a coil. You know what I'm saying? Some guy who do his home service. Shout out to the guy, cause he might see this video too. You know what I'm saying? Much respect. But anyway, I'm like, man, I'm a real technician. You know what I'm saying? But he got way more subscribers than me. But he showed the people what they need to do to their homes. You know what I'm saying? So she sent me the video, and she in the video telling me how to properly clean a coil. And y'all know I don't use chemicals, but the lady insists that I do it the way this guy cleaned the coil. So, and it's a train spiral fin coil, so I don't really mind, I guess. Especially with those style coils. Sometimes chemicals could be, useful for these. There's a lot of dust in this area, so she got me using chemicals, man. So shout out to the home service guy that's showing the homeowners how to properly clean their units and maintain their house. But before I get into this video, like I said, I'm gonna share what my customer requested, and I know there's a lot of opinions out there, so I really do appreciate it. However I get my clients. So I'm not making fun of how I get my customer. I just found that this was kind of funny to me, hilarious when I first seen it. But let me share my screen. This is my Java CRM software. I'm gonna share my screen with you, and I'm gonna show you the request that the customer sent. All right, so this is it here. I'm gonna have my customer information, but as you can see, this is our request forms where they can find online, or we have a client portal in our CRM software where they can just request if they don't want to call. But she said she's not interested right now in our Comfort 365 membership, maintenance. She said air condition. Now, please provide as much information as you can about the issue you are having. It said right here, I like to schedule a deep cleaning and checkup for my AC system similar to this. That's this the YouTube hyperlink. Okay, so this is it right here. Hopefully we can hear the sound, but we'll do the reaction. Just in time, we're gonna cut the grass out there, seem like. So I'm gonna put the hyperlink in here.
I'm Keyshawn, and today we're cleaning our HVAC condenser coils. Because our HVACs are outside, they're exposed to many elements, which is why it should be cleaned at least once a year. A dirty condenser coil can cut your system's efficiency by up to 30% and even lead to total failure. For this project, you'll need a screwdriver, drill, garden hose, coil cleaner, gloves, and a shop vac if you have one. All the tools can be found linked below. To start, find the power box located next to the condenser, open the box, and pull out the plug to disconnect it from the power. You can
safety first
off the unit at your electrical breaker box.
And look at that big drill. Hey, they trip me out with them type of what that impact drill? Got the name of them. They got big.
Take off the top.
Oh man, look what he got here. See that drill too big. He got a little screwdriver or something. He's gonna be all day trying to take that top off. Cause he probably about 3 or 4 screws right there.
Yeah. By unscrewing the bolts and
deep cleaning for
removing it.
He got some help.
Be sure not to pull or disconnect any wires.
Oh, I'm about to say they ain't even take the panel off right there. The electrical panel. DIYer. Weekly home service tips.
Set this off to the side or have someone hold it if the wires aren't long enough. Then, clean out any leaves or debris that may
he got a vacuum.
Be on the bottom or caught on the sides. A shop vac also works great for this. Be gentle, as the fins on the side can easily bend.
Be gentle.
Next, let's clean the coils. Pick up some coil cleaner from your local hardware store, Spray the cleaner evenly across all the coils and let sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. The cleaner will foam up and break down all that built up grime. Lastly, use a garden hose with a light stream to rinse the coils from the inside out. And again, don't use a power washer.
Don't use a pressure washer. That's a good tip, man.
As this can damage the fins. Once fully rinsed, reattach the cover and reconnect the power. A cleaning like this should happen at least once a year.
There you have it, folks. I hope I did it well. You know what I'm saying? What's my guy name? Weekly home check. Like I say, I'm just having fun. Be honest with you. However my customers find me, I'm really appreciative. It can be Google, YouTube. Hey, I do YouTube videos. You know what I'm saying? So my customer find me on YouTube, social media. I'm very appreciative. But when I seen this, that was funny. So when I seen the YouTube hyperlink, be honest with you, I thought it was gonna be one of my videos. But I did end up telling the customer I got a YouTube channel too. So I don't know. She just laughed when I told her I had a channel. So she may look me up. So if you see this, like I said, I'm just poking fun. Hopefully I did a good job for my customer. And we out, y'all. But continue with the video. Hey, if you're a subscriber, hit that like button, hit that bell notification. I appreciate you as well, all my subscribers. And if you're not a subscriber, if you think you can find this channel valuable, I have tips as far as HVAC, mostly related, just like my guy right here. You know what I'm saying? He got way more subscribers than me. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to HVAC, all right, we out. Let me show you what we got going on. All right, got my water hose there. I like this water hose. Got a cutoff valve on here. Can't make this up. All right, so got my coil cleaner. That's evaporator coil. That's for the condenser unit right there. I'm gonna use that new Calgon coil cleaner, but I'm gonna wet it first. Oh yeah, I forgot. I did watch his video. He did say I need to clean all them leaves and stuff up first. So let me start there. I believe you see all them leaves down the bottom there. It's gonna think I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, partner, you ain't use no back to get them leaves up though, did you? All right, I think you say wet it good first. Come back to you, I'm gonna get all that dirt there. All right, I'm spending about 5 minutes wetting it first. All right, I got that good and soaked. Here we go. No rinse required. I don't agree, but I think my guy say put it on here, let it soak for a while, and then we're gonna come back and rinse it off. it off. Come back here in a couple years, all these fins will be on the ground. Just, rinse it off. All right, I'm gonna pause and put this whole can on here. Right, so it's been sitting a while. I'm gonna see if I can rinse it all off. Even though it says no rinse, I don't think I want to rinse it all off. We're just gonna push all the debris through. So we're gonna go every inch of that coil. Just take my time, listen to a podcast. There we go. Flowing through there, that's what we want. All right, Mr. Home Service guy, we got that thing Easter Sunday clean. All right, it's better.